Welcome to CoinReviews. I'm Thomas. At CoinReviews, we are dedicated to helping you navigate the fascinating and ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Our channel offers a variety of playlists designed to equip you with the knowledge and insights you need to succeed in the crypto space, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out. Here's what you can explore on our channel. Crypto for Beginners. Just stepping into the world of crypto? This playlist is tailored to guide you through the basics, helping you understand key concepts and get started confidently. Crypto Basics. Dive deeper into essential terms, concepts, and technologies shaping the cryptocurrency industry. Perfect for building a solid foundation. Coin and Token Reviews. Stay informed with in-depth analyses and reviews of popular coins and tokens. Understand their use cases, strengths, and potential. Narrative. Explore the stories behind major crypto trends and innovations. Gain perspective on how these developments shape the market. Airdrop and retroactive opportunities. Learn how to maximize your earnings with tips and guides on finding and participating in crypto airdrops and retroactive rewards. Blockchain and DeFi. Unravel the mechanics of blockchain technology and decentralized finance. Discover how these innovations are transforming industries. Economics and finance. Understand the broader financial landscape and how cryptocurrencies are impacting global markets. Trading strategies. Whether you're a day trader or a long-term investor, our trading playlist provides insights, tips, and strategies to enhance your skills. Each playlist is thoughtfully curated to offer you valuable insights and actionable knowledge. Join us at CoinReviews and become part of a community passionate about mastering the crypto space. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Let's navigate the crypto journey together.